In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an Oracle account. Whether you're looking to explore Oracle's wide range of services or simply need an account for a specific project, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Let's get started. First, you'll need to navigate to Oracle's official website by entering oracle.com into your browser's address bar. Once the page loads, look towards the top right corner where you'll see the Sign In button. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Create Account. This will take you to the account creation page, where you can begin the registration process. Now that you're on the registration page, it's time to fill in your personal details. Start by entering your full name and a valid email address. Make sure this email is one you have access to, as you'll need it for verification purposes later. Next, choose your country from the drop-down list and create a secure password. Remember, a strong password is typically at least 8 characters long and includes a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. You'll also be asked to select your account type, which in most cases will be individual. Double check all your information to ensure accuracy before moving on. With your details in place, it's time to verify your email. Oracle will send you a confirmation email to the address you provided. Check your inbox and look for an email from Oracle. If it doesn't appear immediately, consider checking your spam or junk folder. Once you find the email, open it and click on the verification link inside. This step is crucial as it confirms your ownership of the email address and activates your Oracle account. After email verification, Oracle might request some additional information. This could include details like your phone number or organization name. It's a routine step aimed at securing your account. Be sure to provide only the information that is required and feel comfortable sharing. Finally, with all information submitted and verified, your Oracle account setup is complete. You can now log in using your new credentials. Upon your first login, you'll gain access to Oracle Cloud free tier, allowing you to explore various services and tools at no cost. Additionally, you can download resources and tap into extensive support for any help you might need along your journey with Oracle. There you have it. Your Oracle account is ready to use. Whether for learning, development, or personal exploration, you're all set to dive into the vast possibilities that Oracle offers. Thank you for joining me in this guide, and I wish you success in all your endeavors with your new Oracle account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more beginner-friendly guides. Happy exploring!